So without the entrepreneur combining land labor,
Okay, so let's continue. Again, the others is connect. Connect pa sila. So, I share the
o
screen.
kung ano yung pamumuhay natin yung sinaunang panahon, ganun pa rin. Wala tayong entrepreneurship or mga entrepreneur natin. So think of the entrepreneurship of Henry Ford or Bill Gates. No?
Okay, so let's continue, no?
Are a vital engine of economic growth.
It's all about the correct stance of the body, no? So, most kasi ng kind of sports, no? Ulitin ko lang, kasi nakat. Meron talagang footwork, no? Kasi always pinapakita lang si Pacquiao. Pacquiao is doing a sport of boxing. Diba? So, may Pacquiao will have footwork, you know? Meron siyang footwork na lagi pinapakita, ang bilis ng paa. Kasi ganun din sa basketball, going to basketball, meron yung footwork. And then to the badminton, any kind of sports, no? Meron talagang footwork. Okay? So, like, para yung body mo is magiging flexible, you're going down, up, or anything kind of situation is going worse. No? Kaya dapat, if you're athletic, dapat yung body mo is flexible. Okay? So,
Social science.
and yung meron dapat work and stance. Okay?
Because it uses scientific methods to build theories.
Then, how to play the game, no? Paano mo gawin yung table tennis, no? So, hindi mo to magagawa kapag ikaw lang mag-isa. So, dapat meron talaga. Hindi kaya ng basketball, hindi ka makapag-play. Kahit ikaw mag-isa, dyan na may ring, nakatayo lang. So, shoot siya lang ng ball, no? Shoot mo lang. Hindi kaya dito, ito naman pwede ka mag-play, but in wall. No? Wall, kalabanin mo yung wall. Smash gagawin mo dyan. Ngayon nga lang, parang boring. No? Like, unlike sa basketball or any kind of sports na yun, fun talaga. Fun din naman yung kind of game, no? Yung mga social. Kaya nila magpapawis ng gusto. Ganun lang. Tik-tik lang ng kamay. Ganun. Pero nakakapawis din ito kasi nagpi-play kayo sa close air, no? Yung mainit talaga. Okay? So, how to play the game, no? Yung table tennis, no? So the game, it is considered won by a player or pair of he or she, they scored 11 points ahead of the other person or player. Okay? So if it comes to the instance, a tie between scores of 10 points, they earn an extra play wherein the player or pair that gains 2 points first will be the winner. Okay? So mostly naman, no, 'di ba mga boys, yung mga or especially pag last one na, no? Yan. So dapat yung mga boys, oh yun, ano tayo, dagdag nyo ito, 3-3, you know. Alam na kagad yun. But di mo alam yung kind of sports na ganun, mamamanga ka na yung sinatawag nilang ganun. O, 3 pa, ganun pa. 2, dagdag ng 2. It means magdadagdag ng malapit na sa ano, magdadagdag sila ng parang panibagong score na dapat kung sinong mauna, sila mananalo. Okay? Kasi yung iba dito is siguro naman alam niyo yung sports, no? Sana alam na lahat. Kasi mostly kahit ganito, mag-going back to normal, diba? Magka-college kayo, no? Yun, nandun talaga, even girls or boys, kahit ano, basta PE, no? Walang ano, diba? Kaya mong gawin. Babae, pinag-push up, ganun kay fit, no? Kasi dapat dadaan ka doon, no? Para mag-graduate ka kasama sa buhay natin. Maganda rin pag may sports kang marami. Okay? So, the next one is scoring. It is the player or a player that successfully ends a rally will be rewarded with a point. Okay? So, if you are, yung team nyo is the first nakakuha ng 11 points, yun. Kayo na agad na tatangan na panalo, no? Especially when yung opponent mo is na-fill yung return ng ball, yung panalo niya, gano'n, diba? Kung sobrang galing nyo lang talaga, kayo nanalo kayo, okay? Kasi kadalasan, sa scoring, merong mga bad serving or mixed hand contact with the table, no? Mga foul play yun. Okay? Then yung bawal yun yung i-move mo yung table during the game. Yung madaya din yun, di ba? Yun yung mga kind of scoring. Maaari kang, ikaw, kakaroon ng score kagad yung kalaban mo. Kung nagulat ka, bakit? Kasi bawal hawakan. Yan, bawal i-shake yung table during the game. Then, once the table gating, return it. Kung hindi pa nakarating sa table, hindi pa siya naka-bounce, pinalo mo na kagad. So, score din sa kalaban mo yun. So, dapat mag-bounce muna bago mo i-hit pabalik sa kanya. Hintayin din niya, mag-bounce sa table niya, and then, i-hit niya rin sa table mo. Ganun siya. Ganun siya ano yung i-play natin. Ano sana. Okay? So, ganun yung mga technical issues na magkakaroon ng score yung kalaban. Okay? Then the service is decided by the toes method. The server changes after 2 points, except the instance of extra play. Okay? So the player starts at the service with the ball resting freely on the palm of his open hand. Okay? So para kayong tutos nyo yan galing yung, di ba, pag maghawa ka ng coins, no? Yung close palm nyo, no? Then para siyang ito-toes, open hand pag toes, yun. Then yun yung pagpalo mo. Okay? So hindi natin ma-demo kung paano, no? Hindi ko mapakita. Hindi ko na nilagay din. Okay? So, i-run watch na lang if ever, no, kung gusto niyo pang matuto lalo. In addition na punta kayo sa YouTube, yun, marami doon. Paano nila knows yung ping-pong ball, no? Yung ball ng table tennis. Kung paano nila knows and then hit. Okay? Okay, so we're done with table tennis. So let's proceed today. Lawn tennis. Okay? So sa lawn naman, ito yung nasa ground lang, no? Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta ng kwarto or any kind of covered court na na i-play yun, no? Ito ay parang lang, nasa field na talaga siya, no? Pwede siyang gawin sa field, okay? It is the sports usually played with one player in each playing part for single and 2 players for the doubles. Okay. It can also be played with the mixed doubles with a boy or a girl played for each team. Okay. So meron din naman to dito pero hindi ka ganun sikat. No, mas sikat tong play na to sa ibang bansa. Mas marami silang time na ay pag-compete doon, no? So mas marami silang player, no? Hindi kaya dito medyo meron din naman ito naglalaro but hindi siya gaano kasikat, di ba? Meron ding lumalaban doon. Okay, so each kind of sports merong lumalaban sa international. Then this is we call the racket. Ito yung racket na yun, long tennis, no? Ito yung makikita niyo yung may laruan kayong kulay green na ball, no? Yung matigas, no? Kasi when I was legal pa lang, elementary, yung ginagawa namin laro, yung binabato ka ng bola sa gitna. Yan. Diba? Kaya pag tamaan ka doon, naaray ka na lang. Okay? It is very important for a player to choose the right kind of racket, no? And one must consider the weight, size of the handle, the string balance, and the quality of the frame. So dapat maganda yung parang sa racket na ng badminton. Same na sila. Dapat kind ng mga best quality. Yung string niya is matibay. Yun, gano'n. Yun yung handle niya, maganda. So yun yung pinakaano. Kasi comfortable ka if you're using the mga magagandang kind of racket. Okay? Okay, so ito yon. Okay, so the ball, ito yung ball ng lawn tennis or tennis. Okay, it is the ball should be a good quality brand. Balls with form of paws should be discarded once the paws is removed because the ball becomes very light and has the tendency of break or float in its flight, making different control. Okay, so the ball is bright yellow in color. So ganito talaga. Pag tatanggalin mo kasi yan, yun, magiging puti na lang siya, yung parang goma. So hindi mo siya dapat tatanggalin pag titripa, no? Kasi parang nakabalot yung kulay green na yan. No? Nakabalot din siya, yun yung parang nagpapabigat din sa kanya. Para pag hit, babound siya. Yun. Nasa ano yan, malayo-layo. Okay? So, kung gusto niyo makita yung mga play, meron sa YouTube na lawn tennis na tournament, yun, meron din doon. Hindi niyo mapanood kung paano nila nilaro yun. Okay? So, the playing court, court for tennis has the following measured, okay? Ito yun, dito sila nagsiserve line, ito yung net. Yung net nila hindi rin ganun kahaba, hindi rin gaya ng kind of badminton or yung mga sobrang height. Mababa lang din, nakadapa lang sa ground. And just 21 feet bago mag-serve. Ito yung center serve line. Yan, yung baseline. Yan, dito sa tumatakbo-takbo, yan, if nagpasa dyan, supposed to be out. Okay? So, ganun lang. Ganun yung play niya. Okay? Kaya magbabounce dito, magbabounce dito. Hit ka dito, magbabounce sa kabila, hindi hit niya, dito niya pinabounce. Yan. Yun yung kind of game na tumakbo-takbo na talaga, hindi gaya sa table na andun ka lang banda sa area na yun. No? Dito, takbo ka talaga, habulin mo siya, then hit, yun. Balik na naman sa opponent kung saan niya pinapatama, hit mo ulit. Okay, so the basic skills in playing tennis, we have a forehand grip. Okay, so ito yung continental, eastern forehand, eastern western forehand, yan, mga ganyang hawak na mga yan, and eastern backhand naman tayo. Okay, so yan, partner yan. Yan. So meron ding dalawang hold, no? Yun yung pinakamalakas na strike. No, i-hit niya talaga directly. Okay, so that are the kind of forehand. Merong yung sa continental, ganito yung hawak niya. Diba? Then sa eastern forehand, iba-iba yung hawak nila. And then sa backhand naman is different din yung hawak nila. Okay, ganun yung mangyayari sa hawak nila. If nasa backhand yung pinapakita. Okay? Of a specific community. So hence, it is a type of social system. And the next one is an economic system defines how all strokes, no? Kung paano gagawin yung game na yun. Okay? We have arm body movements. So in the body arm movement, we should have sideways to the net, to the shoulders, no? Parallel dapat yung facing in the right side line. Dapat ganun yung facing mo. And then the feet set comfortably apart with the left foot in front of the right. So dapat ganun yung gagawin. And then you can back swing to be executed siya for the extended arm and for rest, no? So, dapat ganun yung kind of gagawin natin. Then, when you do a back swing during that, the weight of the body shifts to the right foot in the upper body is pivot to the right from the hips. Alam niyo yung passing swing talaga na malakas, no? Para makabalik agad sa kanya yung strike mo. Okay. Then it has two types of stroke. We have backhand, no? yung backhand na stroke, meron siyang two types. We have two-handle backhand technique. So yan yung dalawa yung gamit niya kamay sa pag-swing. Kasi medyo mabigat yung racket ng long tennis. Whereas in back swing, meron siyang from the initial split or the two-handed backhand technique, yun yung mga back swing, down swing, no? Yun yung kind of body niya. Yung body niya is facing the net with the feet doing the same, no? And the racket held with both hands. So parang handang-handa siya. Ito, alam mo sa akin dito, hit kayo ng malakas. Yan yung kind na pinapakita, no? Nakaharap siya sa net, no? Nakahawak yung dalawang diba? Para siyang parang decidido siya na tatanggap ng strike na. Okay? So the next one is one-handed backhand technique. Okay? So yun yung mga relaxed gaming, no? One-handed lang, no? Meron din siyang may backhand swing din siya, and then we have a forward swing. So unlike siya sa two-handed backhand na may down swing, no? Ito sa kanya forward swing, no? Kasi mahirap naman down swing mo, may isa lang, so mahirapan ka, possibly pang medyo pagod ka kagad. Okay? So in backswing naman, yun din, naka-face din siya sa net. Same lang din siya ng backswing sa two-handed backhand. But yung hip niya is para siyang hindi siya nakaparallel. Like sa two-handed backhand na nakaparallel yung hip, then yun, nakahanda. Okay? Then the next one is yung forward swing, no? Hindi one-handed backhand technique. It has the power to generate from the speed in the velocity from the outward and forward and upward. So ganun yun. May velocity, may speed. Kasi isang kamay lang eh. Mabilis ka makatakbo, yun. May speed ka na ma-hit mo kagad yung racket. Okay? So, ganun lang ka. Mas maganda gamitin yung masanay ka na ng one-handed. Yun. Kasi medyo malaki yung racket niya. Malaki talaga yung racket niya. Hindi gaya ng badminton na manipis lang, magaan lang, light lang yung weight. Hindi gaya dito na may kahoy. Diba? Then yun. Talagang mabigat siya. Okay? So, naintindihan ba lahat ng topic natin? Okay. So that is all about for the physical education about table tennis and the long tennis. Okay. So if you have clarification about the topic, hindi ko yung mag-ask. Okay. May disconnect na tatlo. 71 tayo kanina. Okay. So check na natin attendance nyo. Walang attendance. So wala na kayong mga tanong? Naintindihan po ba kahit may background, sir? Wala na?
Sisipain kita hanggang mabaldog ka na lang. Ako na magpabaldog sa'yo.
Oh, you can unmute yourself kung sino ka man.
Pinapahan ko sa kanya.
Wala na. Okay na? Wala nang tanong?
Mamalit. Doon daw sa si Bangilista. Pasay Road sa may Clashing Hill. Sa likod ng
Sino naman yung nagsasalita dyan na You can unmute yourself. Okay? Naririnig namin lahat dito.
Okay, so before I end the discussion, is there any question?
Okay. So wala na kayong tanong? Okay, so I stop my screen sharing.
Ano po, sir?
Okay, so I stop my screen sharing. Yan. Sino ba yun? Hindi ko nakita yung nagsasalita na yun.
We will continue our
Okay,
discussion
so yun, may nag-disconnect ka agad, dalawa. But sana nahabol yung attendance nila, okay? Stay your attendance sa mas, no? Nire-record namin yung attendance nyo, then once na Yun, next meeting is wala pa rin. Yun, i-remove kayo sa group. Okay? So, yun, kayo na bahala ano yung gagawin nyo. Ano yung klaseng palusot na gagawin nyo. Bakit kayo wala dun sa Zoom. Okay? Okay, so wala nang tanong. End na natin yung Zoom. Okay, bye-bye.